Sorry, Harper. The lime main. We could easily take that off. I wouldn't. I like a waterfall. Yeah, but don't do that because I might drop the camera. The nice rock up there. It's my rock. It's yeah, stop because little one's got to not get trounced. I'm having to do it one time. Bye.
Right.
We all made them think of the Harper ticket. I don't know if I can. Because I don't know how.
Straight Callie, go. 1, 2, 3, up.
Yes. Hello.
Right.
Yes. Hello. Just trying to come out. Sorry, we're just guessing about the walk here. Okay. Don't touch the red one. Okay. That's pretending to be a bunch. Right, let's catch up. With the two. Right, let's catch up. I have to walk though. Wait, Mum, did it on the video? Oh, it's on though. No, it's still recording. I'm Leo. My mom's the one that's going to. Hello. I'm just seeing. My hands are really mucky for it. It's like that big feather. Because I've been doing a lot of cooking. Yeah. Okay. Hello. This is me, Lyle. Oh no, my. Yes, and the puppies. So outdoor living fancy. Everyone, that's all it's for. We're going to the park. Stop. Done it for a few years. Left. That one's there. This is me. Taking my jumper. Stick.
Do your dreams up.
I have to do this.